The pen tool, ho ho ho, yes, just like in Illustrator. In Photoshop, you can make some vector shapes with the pen tool, but its primary purpose is for making very concise, detailed selections of parts of an object, parts of an image that you want to harvest. So people with curly hair, going around, tracing around an automobile in a showroom so you can then take that picture and put it on a mountainside in Colorado, you know, things like that. The pen tool, you would trace the object in the photo just like you would any object in Illustrator, and then you would convert that path or that Illustrator line into a dotted selection. You have your type text tool. Okay, about the same as Illustrator. It doesn't have the type on a path or type on a or type in an area option. Okay. Next is the black arrow and white arrow, the path selectors, just like in Illustrator. They behave just like the arrows in Illustrator. If you create something with the pen tool, you will need to manipulate it with these two and not this one. Shape builder, just like in Illustrator. The hand tool is literally, if you use the hand tool and you're zoomed in, and slide your paper. And then, of course, the zoom tool. You can literally zoom in. These are pixels. 1, 2, 3 pixels. And then you just click and push this way to zoom out. So it's a lot of push and pull. Okay. Then you have there is no fill and stroke. There is only foreground color and background color. Now, the background on this doesn't exist, so you get a checkerboard. If there is no background, you get to see the checkerboard. That means it's a floating layer. If you erase or cut something and it's white behind it, then you do have a background, or whatever color you choose to make the background. And then this is just a preview mode, and this has to do with masking. We'll get to that later. And that is the toolbar. Wow, that took almost an hour.